So somebody asked me a question, what about cravings? And that was an excellent question to ask. So if you crave crunchy food, it's because you're angry. If you like pretzels and chips and crackers, it's because you're suppressing your anger. You want crunchy food.
The time has come for this cookie!
Food. If you're craving salty foods, it's because of anxiety. So salt, a little bit of salt is good for the kidneys. Too much salt, bad for the kidneys. If you're craving sweet foods, sugary foods, it's because you need sweetness in your life. There's not a lot of love. If you are craving creamy foods, it's because you don't have enough comfort in your life. So what if you like salty pretzels dipped in chocolate? So that covers sweet, salt, and crunchy. And what if you like salted caramel ice cream? Wow, you have anxiety, creamy, and comfort, and lack of sweet in your life. So we have these cravings because of our emotional imbalances. And I'm going to repeat this 9 times a day until the day I die. Your emotional states predict your behavior and your decisions. All of your decisions are because of how you feel. And you can either choose your emotional state to be neutral, or you can allow external circumstances to dictate your emotional state. Hi, I'm Dr. George Xavier Love. Most people say hello, and I say that hell is low, but love is high. I am a doctor of Oriental medicine, a licensed acupuncture physician, and the Grandmaster of Blue Dragon Immortal Qigong. So you have the opportunity to ask Dr. Love anything to do with Asian medicine, herbs, nutrition, and your health.